Hi, everyone. Thank you for joining us at Easy English Cafe. We are going to look at going to school vocabulary. Okay. Bus. I take the bus to school. Classroom. I learn in the classroom. Playground. I play on the playground. Cafeteria. I eat in the cafeteria. See all of them eating? Mm, lunchtime. Lunch tray. My lunch tray has food that I can eat for lunch. See, there's pizza, carrots, cheese, pickles, ooh, and a chocolate bar. Library. I read books at the library. Gym. We play and exercise in the gym. Locker. I keep my books in a locker. Teacher. My teacher helps me learn. There's the teacher, and she helps you learn. Pencil. I can write with a pencil. Notebook. I write in a notebook. Homework. I do homework after school. And there you have it. Thank you for joining us at Easy English Cafe. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. We appreciate it. Thank you.